Hello.
Bruh, I lost money again. I did everything you asked me.
I'll call you in 5 minutes. You copied the years last time. So, what happened?
I was testing the year all week last week. Phenomenal, by phenomenal. Very good. Good back test. I was optimizing. I send you optimization result. Can you check files? Can you check my files if I'm doing it wrong?
Yeah, but I also said to you that understanding the concept is more important than running the backtest. If the thinking behind what you're trying to do doesn't make sense, what's the optimization going to throw magic?
I was running backtest and optimization, and scalping is doing so well. I was getting like $1 million in 5 years from 1,000 starting balance. I mean, superb. But it doesn't work in life. What am I doing wrong? I have 3 stop loss hits today.
Today? 3 interest rate decisions today, and you were running trading bots? And that too, scalping?
You don't run it on interest rates day?
I'm not an idiot, bro. And not just interest rate day. I don't run it on any day when there is a chance of volatility and chaos. Say non-farm, payroll, Joel, CPI, any big news.
Yeah, I saw there is a filter for news. You turn that on?
Of course, bro. I avoid trading when I think the market is moving in a way that I do not like.
But bro, which news to avoid?
It depends what I'm trading. During the periods I know are low liquidity like Christmas, New Year, holiday seasons, week of the 4th of July, long Chinese New Year, you need to think about it. If your strategy is dependent on strong movements and current, why would you want to trade during dead times?
Bro, could you send me a set file? Just put the news that you avoid. You know, the things that you were saying.
But you do understand the point, right? A strategy is a concept of what you're trying to do. It's just an automation of what you would do if you were trading manually. You see the point?
Of course, this is why I call you, bro. By the way, when is the next strategy coming?
Wait, you mean when I share my next video on YouTube? Yeah, let's see, maybe next week. Yeah, but more importantly, my idea for the channel was to share the learning and knowledge. I'm not looking to make it a marketplace, even though it is becoming one.
Yes, are good. We learn from it. I'm now writing a strategy myself because of the videos. I'm using the ChatGPT and DeepSeek, and I'm making a strategy on RSI reversal. I don't know what to use for a stop loss. I heard ATR is good for a stop loss.
Yeah, we talked about it last time, no? You don't look at the indicators and make a strategy. You think about what happens in the market, how human psychology works. What can you expect market to do when something happens? What do you expect when there is a strong momentum? If there's a change in economic policy, if there's a war, if interest rates change, if pandemic, elections, monetary policy, quantitative easing, unemployment, new technology, all of those move the market, not the indicators. And this is why they're called indicators. So your idea is not RSI or ATR or Bollinger Bands or whatever. Indicators or price structures or chart patterns to find what gives you best indication of that, not the other way around. You don't look at the RSI and then go, okay, what strategy can I make from it? You have a market price action idea, and then you look at what is the best tool that can give you that indication. You see, my RSI Bollinger EA is not really based on RSI or Bollinger Band. And I'm just using the Bollinger Band 4 standard deviation to say, well, 4 standard deviation, I suppose the prices moved a lot, or even the scalping EA. The strategy is not based on the highs and lows.
But it is. You explained it. You explained the Parsen to determine highs and lows in 5 different videos. It took me 3 weeks to understand it, and now you're saying it's not based on that?
No, it is, but it's not. I mean, the idea that I had was that when the price is moving in one direction, it will continue to move in the same direction by another 2 pips. I mean, that is the entire strategy. Now, I use highs and lows to determine which way the market is moving, but you can use RSI or a momentum indicator or moving averages, any oscillator. And even if you just say that if the last candle was green, that I'm saying that the price is moving in that direction, so it will continue to move in that direction. You see, the strategy is based on psychology. And insofar the players in the markets are buying, that they will continue to buy. And less likely that this is the exact spot where they will stop buying and now the sellers are going to take over. Got it?
Amazing stuff, bro. Amazing. Really good. You made any changes to your settings? Can you send me the new set file?
Of course.
But you also said to turn off GBP and Euro. Is something wrong?
Look at the GBP and Euro chart. I mean, this has moved so much in one direction that now is probably correction time. I mean, do you expect at this moment the market will go in one direction or will it zigzag? I mean, zigzag is the killer for this strategy. I mean, so why would I not want to avoid such
That
times?
is very complicated, bhai.
Market is under no obligation to make sense to you, mister.
Can you make me the year where I don't have to change the setting and it makes profit?
Yeah, I would be talking to you if I had that year that could only make money. In all conditions, no strategy in the world will always make money. No year will always make money. If there is one, then it's taking an excessive amount of risk. I mean, yeah, of course, like trade or martingale strategies. I mean, those can make money straight because they never close a losing position. But in the end, they will all have that day.
What day?
The day.
But then how to make money, bro?
Diversify, my friend, diversify. Every one of my strategy has good periods and bad periods. Every one of my years see good days and they also see bad days. But when they're all running, let's say, I mean, 7 of them make money, 4 of them lose money, and 2 of them are break even. And then I also spread on different currency pairs and asset classes. So I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. So there are ups and downs, but ups are not that high and the downs are not that deep. It's reducing abnormality on both sides. Yeah, but that's for another day.
Why did you set up my VPS?
Yeah, fix your VPS settings. Yeah, to match mine. Yeah, when I'll start the GU and EU again, I'll let you know.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. I learned so much from you. You're the best. I love you, bro.
Yeah, like I always say, stay safe, trade safe. What the